So you want to reset the user interface within CATIA. Let's see how we can do that. Right click over here on the tab and you're going to find reset all section positions. We're going to be notified that all section positions, pin sections, layout changes are going to be reset. Do you want to continue? I'm going to click OK. And now we're going to have CATIA resetted. As you can see, those panel over here on the top disappeared. But over here, we still have the action pad because that is separate from the user interface over here. Okay, now we still have the action pad over here. In order to close this, you can directly close it over here, or you can go over here within display, action pad, and you can also have it disabled over here. So if you don't want to click on that, you can easily do it like this. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I'm going to position a similar video over here on the left side, and I'll also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.